This syrup was always made by my grandmother when I was little. No pharmacy product can replace it. Its secret lies in simple, natural ingredients. One of the main ingredients is citrus fruits. Lemon and lime are packed with vitamin C and have cleansing properties. Cut the lemon into quarters. Do the same with 2 limes. This ratio is very important. Cut a few fresh sprigs of rosemary. This humble ingredient is not just for roasts. It has anti-inflammatory effects and helps improve concentration. Prepare a large jar. Place the rosemary inside. Then add the chopped lemon and lime. Leave some space for the final magic ingredient. Pour honey into the jar until it's about halfway full. Honey acts as a natural antibiotic. Seal the jar, turn it upside down, and store it in a cool, dark place for a few days. This homemade syrup helps with colds, coughs, and even low energy. It's 100% natural, chemical-free, and costs just pennies. It's a natural alternative to pharmacy syrups full of sugar and artificial additives. You definitely have to try it.